Good morning, everyone. I'm giving a small presentation on AngularJS. See here, model view controller. In model, M represents model, B represents view, and C represents controller. Here we are using model view controller architecture. Here, model represents the logic, and view represents the JSP, and C controller represents the servlet. Okay, model represents means bean, and view represents JSP, Java Server Pages, and C means controller. Okay, bean means retrieving a record from the database. It's called bean. Okay, see here MVC architecture, as it is popularly called, is a software design pattern for developing a web application. A model view controller pattern is made up of following three parts: model, view, controller. It is the lowest level of the pattern responsible for maintaining the data, storing the data, and retrieving the data. And view, model represents bean, retrieving the record from the database, maintaining in the database itself. Model represents bean. Here, view represents JSP, Java Server Pages. It is the responsible for displaying all or a portion of the data to the user. View means presentation. Presentation is decorated by the Java Server Pages and giving the response to the client browser location. And controller means servlet. It is a software code that controls the interactions between the model and view. It is a software code that controls the interactions between the model and view. That can be controlled by the terminator. Okay. Here the client and server is there. When the client gave the request to the server, either get method or post method, the server will take the request and give it to the servlet container. Okay, every server must contain servlet container. After getting the request to the server, okay, that request is given to the servlet container. That servlet container will be connected to the database and taking the data from the database and given to the JSP, Java Server View, JSP, Java Server Pages. The server pages, Java Server Pages, will decorate the output, and the servlet container will give the response to the server. The server will give the response to the client browser location in the form of presentation, output presentation. That is happening in the model view controller. Here, by using the get method and post method, okay, we are giving by using the URL, uniform resource locator. Okay, uniform resource locator. When we give the request www.http://www.google.com. See, when the client gave the request, that request is taken by the server and retrieving the data from the server, from where the information is retrieving. That can be seen in the URL itself by the client itself in the get method. Coming to the post method, we can't see the data transparently because it will hide by the post method. It is in a secure process. The post method is in a secure process. MVC architecture is a MVC, model view controller, is a popular because it isolates the application logic from the user interface layer and supports the separation of concerns. The controller receives all the requests for the application, then works with the model to prepare any data needed by the view. The view then uses the data prepared by the controller to generate a final presentation response. The MVC, model view controller, abstraction can be graphically represented as follows. Here, see the event request is coming into the modules. Okay, the module given to the view. Okay, when the client gives the request, okay, that is taken by the server. The server will give the request to the servlet container, that is event, that pass the information to the modules, from modules to the view, and given connected to the database and retrieving the data from the database and given to the view, and view is decorated and given to the servlet container. The servlet container will give the response to the server, and the server will generate the response request to the client, and the output is shown in the client browser location in the decorated form. Here, the model. The model is responsible for managing the application data. It responds to the request from the view and to the instructions from the controller to update itself. And view is a presentation of data in a particular format triggered by the controller decision to present the data. They are script-based template systems such as Java Server Pages, ASP, PHP, and very easy to integrate with the Ajax technology. The controller. The controller responds to the user input and performs the interactions on the data model objects. The controller receives the input and validates it and then performs the business operations that modify the state of data model. The AngularJS is an MVC-based framework. In coming chapters, we will see how the AngularJS uses the MVC methodology. Here, before creating an actual Hello World program application using AngularJS, let us see the three parts of the AngularJS application. AngularJS application consists of following three important parts: directives. ng-app. This directive defines and links an AngularJS application to HTML. ng-model. This directive binds the values of an AngularJS application data to HTML input controls. ng-bind means this directive binds the AngularJS application data to HTML tags. Step 1. Load the framework. Load the framework. Being a pure JavaScript framework, it can be added using scripting tag. Here, see here, scripting opening tag. Here, /script closing tag. Here we are writing the source. Here we are writing the source is equal to quotations http://ajax.googleapis.com ajax/libs means libraries AngularJS and 1.2.15 version and angular.min.js. And step 2, define the AngularJS application using ng-app drive. Here, div nej-app is equal to quotation, and we have to write the code here and /div. This is the second step. Then coming to the third step, define a model name using ng-model drive. Here, p means paragraph. This is the opening tag and /p is the ending tag. Enter your name. Input type is equal to quotations text. ng-model is equal to quotations name. And step 4, bind the value of the above model defined using nag-bind directive. Again, we are writing a paragraph. P means paragraph. /p means ending paragraph. Here, hello less than span ng-bind is equal to name. Okay, close that one and /the span. Here, executing the AngularJS application using above mentioned 3 steps in the HTML page. Here, test AngularJS.html. I'm writing a simple program. We can write HTML or HTML. Here, HTML opening tag, and here is the /HTML closing tag. And I'm using the title also. Title opening tag and closing with the /title with the closing tag. I'm writing the AngularJS first application. Now we have to write the logic in the body itself. Now h1 is the header. We are using the h1 header sample application. /h1 is the ending tag. Divide nag app directive. I'm using one directive in the AngularJS, that is ng-app is equal to quotation. Now the paragraph. Enter your name. Input type is equal to text. ng-model is equal to name. And close the paragraph and open the another paragraph and hello span ng bind. Second directive is equal to name / span exclamatory mark and close the paragraph and close the /dvv and tag and open the script, open the JavaScript and write down the source file is equal to quotations http://ajax dot google apis.com ajax libs angular.js 1.2.15 angular.min.js. Close the source and close the script and close the body and close the HTML. When we run the program, directly we'll go to the ajax.googleapis.com and it will open the output. Thank you.